Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. Walk on people to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Yeah man people, so up top first and foremost, I just want to say Lee Sparta recover from the vomiting thing the way he would have got through his it. So yeah, I'm out of hospital, so I could jump in on the video where I go on, cause the police them look like them on panda wall case, you see me? Okay guys, so what we are going to talk about today is basically fresh news, new news, you see me? So following up on Thursday shooting incident in Montego Bay, St. James, in which 3 men who are said to be major players in flanker base uptown Sparta Gang, you see me? So remember them with them involved in a shooting, them a top man from Sparta Gang, you see pre. So from last week till now, right people, within that short space of time, police sets up box and capture around 7 gangsters in custody, you see it? And basically them say when them hold on them 7 Monday, it was a bingo. So I mash up a gang, basically them say. So information I give out so far as you know hear what I just say. So besides that though guys, yeah, so 2 Glock 34 pistols were also seized after Thursday shootout. The latest arrest bring to 7 of the number of alleged gangsters the police have apprehended, which are locked up in connection with the deadly gang-related violence which has been plaguing flanker. Is it people? So we have them have been amazed intelligence, and we now believe we have a clear picture of what has been going on in the community and the person who have been driving the violence, which we link to the violence incidents in Washington Boulevard, downtown Kingston and Mountain View in corporate area. A police source told the Star. Is it? We also managed to establish a link. So there's so much things are going, plus them establish a link to the violence. You see, them establish a link. I wish for the link they come with a read something like them say. Them establish a link. You see, the violence and the entertainment fraternity as a man who engaged the violence in last Thursday shooting. You see? So with that said and done, them I record everything, you see me? So in Iron Shore, which we have linked to uptown Sparta Gang, you see me? So them find link, location, all of them look attachment there, you see it? So them say them thwart several plans. So that mean them cripple, destroy them, stop it. In speaking to the intelligence being generated from persons now in police custody. The source said that the information may have saved several lives in recent weeks, as the police have managed to thwart several plans by the gang, including last Thursday incident, in which the gangsters ran into the police while reportedly on their way to carrying out a hit. You hear that? Hey. So within recent weeks, when they showed up at various locations, we are usually there waiting on them. The challenge is they are not surrendering, and this has led to several shootouts in the lawman said. Is it? So with that said and done guys, the police source revealed one bag of thing that them have, like them all have a snitch or something, the way that sound, is it? So the police source also revealed that with several key players now in custody, they have received credible information that a man who is wanted for multiple murders by the St. James police has taken over the leadership of gang. We have information that he has given order for the police to be shot at on site, you see it? And with that said and done guys, so the gangster to the fire and the Jamaica who put the fire, the money upon him head, force and the defense force. So guys, as you can see, the police, them, the Wallamp and family really have a pick against him, is it? Because our investigation with them did have, and special operation with them have gone for a good while, been a watch him, you see me? So we're gonna see how this going, okay, them like him have an influence, them I say, you see me? So we're gonna see what really going, guys, you see me? So we get some time here while going, and we bring back the rest of info too, you see, pray. So bless upon yourself at the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subs.